On Saturday, April 20th, Waco residents came together for the Great Waco Clean Up, ready to help clean our community. The event was an initiative by Waco City Council and organized by Keep Waco Beautiful. Organizers set up 5 designated locations across Waco. From South Waco Library to Crestview Park, volunteers were out in force, picking up litter and beautifying our green spaces. Other locations included Oscar Ducange Park, Dewey Community Center, and Flat Rock Park. Dedicated district captains were on hand at each location, providing volunteers with all the necessary supplies. The Great Waco Cleanup is part of a larger initiative, the Great American Cleanup with Keep America Beautiful. This program highlights the power of communities working together to create cleaner, more vibrant environments for everyone. A huge thank you goes out to all the volunteers. Your dedication and hard work are truly appreciated. You've helped make Waco a cleaner and more beautiful place for everyone. The City of Waco, Keep Waco Beautiful, and community partners from the Green Communities Conference came together for Arbor Day on April 26th to plant new trees at Heritage Square in downtown Waco. These new trees will replace those lost to past ice storms and will help beautify our city. Planting trees is a wonderful way to give back to the environment and care for our planet. They provide us with oxygen and shade, improve air quality, and provide habitats for wildlife. Arbor Day is a national holiday in the United States, with most states celebrating annually on the last Friday in April. The tradition originated in Nebraska City in 1872 by Julius Morton, who encouraged Nebraskans to plant trees in their communities. By 1970, Arbor Day became recognized nationwide as a day dedicated to planting trees and raising awareness about the importance of trees in our lives. The City of Waco joined forces with Texas State Technical College to enlist the talent of first-year architectural drafting students to create free, pre-approved plans for accessory dwelling units, or ADUs. ADUs are smaller, independent residences built on the same lot as a main house. 5 students have been working on the ADU plans since January, applying the concepts they have learned in their coursework. They presented their initial 3D models to Planning Services staff on Monday, April 21st, and will be making some modifications before the final plans are approved for residents later this summer.